Hey people, so I was in all a very happy mood and all, but then I was telling myself that no, yeah, now mm, some people are watching my videos, I need to sound intelligent and all of that, but no, I'll still continue being as mad as I am. And see, this particular, yesterday I spoke of jade stone, so this is turquoise stone. And really, yeah, believe it or not, stones really have a way of calming you, because they work at a very subtle level, right, vibration. So I would highly recommend people who might lose their temper and all to wear a turquoise stone, preferably over their neck, because it really calms you down. And turquoise is a very healing stone. It's soothing. It's like turquoise blue, right? It's the color itself is so soothing. So this is almost a 1 minute video, but really people, I can't recommend it enough, the whole deal of wearing these stones, because at some level nahi, at a very subtle vibrational level they make a difference, and you need to experience it to know. But I'll say this, there are most of us, quite a few of us on this planet, most of us actually very dense. We don't you know we don't it's the finer things to be able to even feel these vibrations. Sensitive people can feel it, and most people who have spectacles, who have skin trouble, think they come under the sensitive category, so they will feel these vibrations. Yes. So really people, turquoise stone, and it's going to be a 2 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.